kids is take up a piece of paper or thank you. Hey, how was your day? Fine, sir. Oh, very good. So, before I'm going to start our class, get some attendance. Si Bumbo, si Miggy, Sir Tamala, Mucha, Sir. So very good, everyone is present. So today, we were going to tackle another lesson, which is the elements of the short story. So to begin with, so the story elements. First element is the characters. So of course, the characters are people and animals. You make stories. It could be people, animals, or anything that is involved in story. That is the characters. Next is the setting. So the setting is the when and where the story happens. So it tells the when and where the story happens. Next is the plot. The plot is the events that happen in the story. So actually siya kanya natin kung nakikita mo sa story. Next is the problem. The problem is what goes wrong in the story. So sometimes mas matawag natin siya kung nagpag-next sa story. Next is the solution. So the solution is how the problem is solved. That is the next element. The next element is the theme. So the theme is the lesson learned from the story. So it is the message or the lesson you will get from the story. So that's the element of the story: the theme, the solution, the problem, the plot, the setting, and the characters. So any questions about? Very good. So I'm going to give you a passage or a short story to make our conversation more deeper. So the title of the story is The Needless by Clyde D. Montaisan. So I don't know if you're familiar with the story, but I think famous siya na story. So mag-gets na naman ang story. So The Needless by Clyde D. Montaisan. So first of all, I'm going to give you the objectives for our short story or for activity today. So at the end of the lesson, students are expected to identify and analyze the themes of materialism, social status, and irony in a test. So, reader, can you read the second objective? or dito is with the last objectives.
Students will participate in a group discussion sharing their interpretation of supporting their influence with the specific details from the story.
So thank you. That will be our objectives for today. Student Nicholas. Mateo Deldi, Louiselle was a beautiful, charming woman who always dreamed of luxurious lifestyle beyond her humble means. She was married to a modest clerk, and although she had a comfortable life, she was deeply unhappy, constantly feeling she deserved more. So, Mr. Mala, can you read the next paragraph?
She became obsessed with she had nothing suitable to wear. To please her, he gave her money he had saved from you rifles so she could buy a dress. But even with a new dress, Matilde felt incomplete. She wanted jewelry. She went to her wealthy friend, a demi-forest deer, and borrowed a beautiful diamond necklace.
Paragraph is Shibuko.
At the ball, Matilde was present. She was the center of attention and admired by everyone. But when she returned home, she discovered that the necklace was missing. In a panic, she and her husband searched everywhere, but it was gone. They replaced it on enormous doorway from France toward Beijing their positions and spending the next 10 years repaying their creditors. Matilde's beauty faded as she worked tirelessly to pay off their debts.
So years later, Matilde encountered Madame Forestier, who barely recognized her. Matilde confessed that the hardship she had endured and explained why. Madame Forestier revealed that the original necklace was a fake, made of paste and worth almost nothing. The end. So did you get the flow of the story? So, what is the story all about? And what? Miss Ibuko?
All about the necklace.
Very good. So the main topic, or that especially in the title is about the necklace. So the characters are Madame Forestier, like Madame Matilde, and her husband. So the story was about Madame Matilde being a very gorgeous or charming woman. So, bisan pag guwapa ka rin siya, pero iyang pag-hambog is very, standard. Mahalang iyang comfortable niyang life kaya wala siyang isagan sa banan. Iyang mo siya manipay mo sa nasa iyaha. So tigaan siya o tigaan iyang bayan o invitation bilang sa castle or somewhere na prestigious na yun. Mo ito, nalipay si Matilde, nalipay siya at the first time pero namuhol siya o naglago niya. Wala siya sumugod na isa kung sumugod na sa gina o kanang mga accessories. So mo ito, namulang siya o kanang bongga kayo maniglas sa iyahan. Amiga, what you see, which is Madame Forestier. Kanya mo ito dito sa ito na kaniyang attention sa pag-atlo niya sa party na kanyang esperan ito. Kaya siya, lumuli ang stress. Ilagi ang English. Pagkuman kayo. Pagpuli at niya, wala ko na ang English. So, nabalaka kayo si Juan, nabalaka kayo si Madam, ay si Matilde kayo. So, wala ang English. Nabi niya, party mahala. So, mga ito, nga, di siya gusto mo ni Madam sa first year niya, wala ang niya kwintas, ang iya ni buhat, nangutang siya, ibaligya niya, tanahan sa niya, trabaho siya taman, para mabayan at para makapalit siya ang katong pag-oy, para may isa ng English na makapaliha ito. So, pila ka years, nakita siya ko sabi ni Madam first year. Di na may nang sa Matilde, kaya ako lang siya lang pati ang panak ay ako daw pila ako magtrabaho dyan kasi pila ka kaya ang punta. Stress mo ka naman na. Moto, usapan yun. Ito kan si Madam first year na atong nga English is worth nothing pa kay page shop wax bali na kita mga fair. Nya, ikaw sa kay ba't ikaw si Madam ay ikaw si Matilde sa kay pati di mo nga. Ako pagtaman waray wala tungod sa imong kahapon mo namutang ka sa kuan na sitwasyon na dili mao tungod sa imong makakay at pagpatakas. So mo na aron sa story. So let's na
Yes, sir.
So let us proceed. So I'm going to ask you this for these questions. So take time to read first. So I'm going to ask you this question in a minute. Tell me if you're ready to answer. Yes. Okay, are you all ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
So, the first one. This reading reminded me of Mr. Mala.
This reading reminded me of the saying, pride comes before a fall. Madami no, always say, desire for luxury is to have downfall.
Very good. Thank you for sharing your thoughts about this story. So, next, sunod siya. If I could change one thing, it would be for me goodness. Be honest with your friend about those single years instead of going to negative. Very good to hear. So honesty is the best policy. Next, at first I thought, but then I read, and now I think. Sir Lito?
At first, I thought Madam Noisel was just unlucky, but then I read about her pride, and now I think her misfortune was partly self-inflicted.
Very good. Next, I wonder, si Buko.
I wonder how her life would have been different if she had told the truth from the beginning.
Thank you. Next, my big question about this reading is, remote siya? My big questions about this reading is, why would I lose this my further life and this my family loving. Okay, thank you. Next is if I were the character. Sir Dito.
If I were the character, I would have confessed the loss immediately and hoped for my friend's understanding.
That's good. Next, the character reminded me of Mala.
The character reminded me of the people who hate their desire to establish judgment which often leads to unnecessary suffering.
Next is I read and I realized that Misimugo.
As I read, I realized that material possession can bring true happiness and vanity can be costly.
So I will be answering the last, which is I read. So for me, for my personal response about the story, I wish that at the very beginning, Matilda should have told the truth about the Nicholas that has done. So maybe she wouldn't be in that very critical situation and didn't waste her 10 years for paying instead. She can actually we didn't have a good outcome for her. So thank you for answering these questions. Let us proceed for reflecting. So for your reflection, have you ever wanted something so badly that you are willing to go to great lengths to get it? Then how did it make you feel afterward? Looking back, would you make the same decision again? Or would you choose differently? Explain how your experience relating to the design, thrill, and social status in the story. So, we'll run up for slides. Answer these questions. So you can answer these questions in 5 minutes. Are you done?
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pass your papers. Very good, right here. Yes, sir. So I can see everyone has their own desires and how it fits it. So for your assignment, write at least 3 to 4 paragraphs answering the question, how can you relate to this story? Again, how can you relate to this story? So that would be all for today. Thank you guys. Bye guys. Before I speak, for the closing prayer, please.
The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end.
Bye guys.
Bye, sir.